What's up, you guys? Welcome back to HP Fashion. If you're new here, my name is Zach Fobbs, and it's no secret that one of the main reasons why we as guys improve on our style is to impress the women that are typically around us. And when it comes to this category, a lot of guys seems to overcomplicate this. They seem to think that they need to literally become peacocks in order to grab the attention of women, and they seem to think that there are certain things that women only really care about, which is clout. Which I'm here to tell you, it's not that hard and it's really quite simple. So I'm gonna be giving you a few simple tips that you can apply to your wardrobe that women absolutely love on men. Number one, a clean white t-shirt, especially when you pair it off with a really good looking pair of jeans, some nice shoes, some accessories. This is something that is going to show off so much of a rugged vibe and a casual, laid back vibe. At the same time, it's well put together, it's clean, it's casual, it's very classic. Women absolutely love this, and this is a really easy outfit for any guy to pull off. Just make sure that whatever t-shirt that you do buy, make sure it's not, completely oversized or something that's too tight on you. When you want to make sure that it's well fitted for you, and if you can help it, this might be a little counterintuitive, but if you want, go get it tailored, or just take your time whenever you are shopping for one and just make sure whatever it is that you're buying is gonna fit your body nice and well. Number two, darker colors. Now I'm talking about like your dark grays and your blacks, especially when you pair them off in a nice monochromatic sort of look. Women absolutely love this because it shows off a lot of boldness and a lot of your confidence, and women feed off of your confidence. Especially, it's gonna make you look and feel good, so therefore she's gonna feed off of that even more. Not only that, it adds some sort of mystery to it, and women find this incredibly sexy about guys. So guys, don't go too overboard with this. Don't just walk out of your apartment in an all black outfit, but just make sure that whatever you're doing, you're playing off smart. You have that sort of bad boy mysterious vibe about you, and I guarantee you she is going to love that on you. Number three, a well-tailored suit. I do not care what you guys say. Every single guy should have a tailored suit in his wardrobe. This is because you never know when you might need to dress it up. She might be inviting you to a wedding, or you guys have a really fancy date at a really nice location. You never know when you might need to step it up a bit and show off how well that you can dress up. Especially, because she's gonna like this. She's gonna like a guy who knows how to clean himself up and just step it up a little bit. You kind of have that James Bond, manly, clean, classic sort of look about you, and I guarantee you she's not gonna be able to take her eyes off of you. Number four, playful prints. Now, what I mean by this is that whenever you are wearing a shirt, preferably you would be wearing a shirt if you're wearing something that has something printed on it, but when you are wearing a shirt, you have something on it that's very playful. It shows off your personality, and at the same time, this could work in your favor and hide a lot of your negative attributes. It has that much of a defining factor on it that it doesn't really hide any negative factors that you have that you want to hide from her, and I guarantee you she's going to notice all these fun looking patterns, and especially when you know how to very much well, put it all together in terms of the pattern and the color coordination and make it work for you, I guarantee you she is going to like that on you very much. Number five, your shoes. You guys know me. I always tell you that your shoes can either make or break your outfits. You can have on the most expensive, well put together outfit that you can think of. If you have on, some rugged, worn out looking tennis shoes with it, I guarantee you it's gonna drop the value of your outfit from a 9 out of 10 to an instant 3 out of 10. And believe me, women have the same filter. So why not opt out for something that's gonna be a little more clean, a little more classic, like some Chuck Taylors, some Vans, some Adidas. These are some nice casual options that any guy can pull off, especially if he's out and about. He might run into the girl of his dreams, he might go up to her, try to talk to her, and she's gonna look down and notice that your shoes are clean, they're kept together. They show off your outfit very nicely. So guys, opt out for something that's gonna be a little more clean, a little more classic. Or if you wanna go for something a little more classy, a little more of a mature vibe, you can always go for some leather shoes. There are some great casual leather shoes out there that have a good mature vibe about them. Or alternatively, if you want to go something a little more dressier, like some dressy leather shoes, the options are endless. Just make sure you're not getting like box-toed shoes. I guarantee you it's going to be an instant turn off for women. Number 6, boots. Now, I know what you guys are thinking, Zach, you just said shoes for the previous tip. Why would you go on to boots? Those are the same exact thing. Believe me, they're not. Especially in the eyes of women, this is a totally different category. This is something that women find it to be a very rugged, has a very bad boy look about it if you know how to play that off. And at the same time, alternatively, if you want to go for something a little bit more of a mature vibe, but still has that, carelessness, casual vibe about it at the same time, you can go for something like some Chelsea or Chukka boots and still pull off a very classy, but at the same time mature, and at the same time, very rugged vibe about it. And if you guys are, struggling with your height, you're not all that confident in, in your height, you're maybe under 6 foot and you're not gonna feel like a lot of girls are gonna be talking to you, this will actually help you out, especially if you buy a pair of boots. They're gonna help, boost up your height a little bit by 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So this is something that you guys should highly invest in, especially if you don't have any already. I would recommend you go check out Thursday Boots. They're not a sponsor for today's video, but I highly recommend their boots. They're some of the best quality of boots that I have ever tried in my life. I'm definitely gonna get more for the spring season. They drop a new line, they seem like almost all the time, but the classics that they do provide are timeless and something that I believe that every guy should have in his wardrobe. So guys, I'll have their website linked in the description below. If you guys do decide to buy from them and you have come from this channel, be sure to let them know so that maybe one day me and them become friends and we can actually provide some great quality content just for you guys. Number 7, a jacket. Now, this is something that's gonna show off way more of a casual, very strong, confident vibe about you, because a jacket is something that's gonna help build up your upper body. So of course, if you've been hitting the gym or if you're a little bit more built up top, this is gonna play in your favor, especially because it's gonna show off a lot of your positive attributes that you want to show off when it comes to, how much of a big and strong guy that you are. One of the top 2 recommendations that I will actually tell you guys to get are either a denim jacket or a leather jacket, just because, again, that ruggedness that women actually love, the denim and leather jackets pull this off perfectly. If you guys want a good recommendation on where you can get a good quality denim jacket, go check out Gap. They have such an amazing selection, all underneath $100 for some good quality denim jackets. So I guarantee you guys, go check them out. I guarantee you will love it. Number 8, athleisure. Now, how do we feel, let's be real here as guys, how do we feel whenever we see a girl wearing some leggings, she's, wearing some activewear up top, and she has, her hair in a ponytail, she's either out and about, maybe getting some groceries, or she's at the gym, we just kind of notice her. How do we feel in that particular moment? Yeah, same thing for women, just to us guys. Whenever we are wearing, athleisure, and it's showing off the best attributes of our body, hiding the negative ones, and at the same time, it shows off that we have a healthy and active lifestyle. Women are attracted to this. So guys, if you need even more motivation other than the fact that it's gonna help, improve your overall lifestyle, expand your life, and make you a little bit more healthier than you are, then yeah, pick up some athleisure clothes and hit up the gym, and I guarantee you within, a few weeks, not only you're gonna feel better about yourself, you're gonna be a little more confident in yourself. If you're out and about, wearing your workout gear, whether you're, coming home from the gym or about to go to the gym, I guarantee you when it comes to women that are gonna be around you, you're gonna be turning some heads. Number 9, cologne. This is a no-brainer. Women love a guy who smells good, whether that's in passing or you're hanging out with her. If she notices that you have a nice smell coming off of you, she's gonna gravitate towards you. I guarantee it. Just make sure that whatever it is that you are wearing, you're not going too overboard with it. Don't just, drown yourself or bathe yourself in it, because I guarantee you it's gonna be just as bad as you having BO, and you're gonna turn her off instantly. My secret whenever I am applying cologne is that I maybe do 3 or 4 squirts at max. I hit up 2 sides on my neck, and I hit up my wrist, and I kind of pat it, and kind of spread around my body. And maybe if I feel like I need to do a little bit of a body shot, I'll do that as well. The best way that you can apply cologne is right after a shower, because your skin's gonna be, your pores gonna be open on your skin. It's gonna be a little more perceptive of the, of the notes that are in the cologne. So therefore, it's gonna absorb it nice and well and make it last all day long. And number 10 are beards. Sorry to all my clean shaven guys out there, but yeah, women just love beards. Studies have shown that women are more attracted to guys who have some sort of stubble or short to medium sized beard. So guys, if you have any facial hair and you're really growing it out, make sure that you guys are just taking care of it, you know, keep it tamed. You don't want to be looking like a caveman. Whatever outfit you have on, I guarantee you, if your beard is nice and trimmed, it's well groomed, it looks like you have it nice in control, I guarantee you it's gonna show off your outfit and bring you up from an 8 to a 10 out of 10, guarantee. If you guys made it this far to the end of the video, first of all, thank you guys so much for sticking around. You guys are very much appreciated. If you like today's video and you learned something from it, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new here to the channel, I hope you consider subscribing. Help us build the HB community. If you guys are not following me on Instagram at Mr. HB Fashion, I hope you consider following me there. I post a lot of fashion and grooming inspirations on there. I have a lot of big projects coming out. I'm really excited to show you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.